Welcome back. 25 again, Body Shapes Medical. We have a special for you. If you are inspired now and you're ready to make a change in your life for the positive, Lisa, tell them about our specials.
Please take advantage of this deal. It's half off your consultation fee. Normally it's $150, but today it's $75. That does include 2 appointments. There's going to be a lab draw, and then you'll come back for a 1-hour analysis of your lab work. Yes, we're going to educate you for 1 hour. Go to 25again.com/wave. It does expire at midnight. Please, please leave a message, though, if you call 425-0500. We get a lot of phone calls during this segment, and we will extend the offer when we call back.
All right. Mark Lampkin is here, as well as his wife, Jennifer. They've had a positive experience. I asked Jennifer a little bit about their personal lives and how it's impacted their relationship, and I think it's fair to ask Mark now. So, Mark, your relationship with Jennifer, I mean, it's obviously you guys have a great dynamic. You're answering each other's questions. I see the affirmative, nods and everything. So tell me a little bit about that.
We're in the circle of trust here?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We are.
Yeah, here at all the viewers.
We are.
24 years. I've been with my wife 24 years, married her probably actually longer than that. What?
Dated for 4, 28 total.
Yeah, 28 years. So, you get 20.
Dating was tough, though. Come on now. That was tough.
You get 20, 25 years in, you get a little familiar, you're a little tired at night, you don't want to do that date night, you make excuses and you don't do things. So as a couple, when we both did this, again, energy level shot up. We're more active in every area of our lives. It's, I'm not going to say that we're 16 again, but definitely 25 again, right? It's not prom night every night.
Right.
Hey,
That's right.
but there's a certain level of focus, intensity, of energy that it just bleeds over into every aspect of your life. And for us as a couple, it's made a big difference. And, everybody goes through highs and lows in life and marriages, and it's a lot of work. But this has made a meaningful impact for us on every front, from money, lives, sex lives, everything. It's impacted it all in a very positive way.
This makes it interesting for me in that when I have an individual here, it's tough to ask, but this is different in that now I can ask you when you are out with other couples, if you're on a double date, and obviously both are probably going to ask you, what's 25 again done for you? What do you tell them? What do both of you all tell them when you're in that kind of situation?
First of all, energy level. And like Lisa said, it's all about education, because we get blood panels done regularly, and so you know what it is that your body needs, and everybody's different. And so when they ask, I love being able to say, you need to go to 25 again and go to Body Shapes Medical, because I promise you they can help you with your situation.
Yeah, and I'm biased because I love Dr. Bates. I mean, they have a slew of wonderful employees and doctors out of there, but for me, I've built a really nice relationship with Dr. Bates, and I've sent countless number of people, and I'm like, go see Bates. I mean, they take time to understand you, they get to know you, and for me, 3 to 4 times a year, I'm doing complete blood panels. If there's anything that's happened at all, I'm going to be I'm catching it early, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's, for me, I'm not saying we're saving lives, but you could.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, absolutely.
571-5263 if you have a question. I ask this question often, so I'll ask you too. With this newfound energy, is there anything like on a bucket list kind of thing you say, you know what, we're going to make that happen. We're feeling pretty good. Both of us, like you said, you're kind of coinciding as far as energy levels. So with that being said, is there anything you guys have big plans in the future that maybe prior to 25 again you might have said, I don't know if I have the energy for it. Now I'm going to do it.
Well, Sunday we leave for Vegas. We're Valentine's in Vegas.
That takes energy.
I'm excited. We're definitely traveling a lot more. We're up for experiences. Businesses are growing, and as far as things that we like to do in the community. So, but I would say definitely for us as a couple, it would be traveling.
And think about that for a moment. I mean, 5 years in this, again, I don't know many 48-year-olds from an energy perspective that can carry it. I'm not saying it's just me, but because of Body Shapes. I mean, we have and Jennifer has these 5 Champion Sales and Lease, which is like an Aaron's Rental. It's kind of a furniture sales and lease, 5 in Nashville, 1 here.
Whoa.
We have 2 Barano's that we're opening now.
Hello.
But Lampkin Wealth Management's my passion. We manage almost $500 million, $500 million for clients in 30 states. And I honestly don't think that I could run that intelligently with the focus needed, because all 3 of them are growing and doing exceptionally well, and it's because I have the focus and energy to do it. So
there you go.
I'm a big fan.
With your business dealings, have you had some of your peers notice the increased energy or the ability to focus? Because everybody at the end of the day, when you have late meetings, you as well, Jennifer, do you see other people kind of dragging and you go, you're feeling good, and they're going, what are you doing? This must be some good Starbucks here. What's going on?
I get asked a lot, the old country club of guys, and typically they're a little bit older, cranky, can be. So they make fun of me like, what exactly can you do better, faster, stronger? I'm like, don't even start with me. You have no idea, because we do everything from Vegas, and I'm a hunter, so I take hunting trips that I couldn't physically, I may have not been able to do. I go to where most places or most people can't get. So again, it's all focus, energy, and bottom line, it's made us happier.
There you go.
And at the end of the day, if everything else stayed the same and it made us happier, it's worth the money.
Let's try to grab a call here real quickly. Kay has joined us now. Kay, thank you for calling. Welcome to the show.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, you have a question?
Yes, I want to know is what they do at 25 again, is this FDA approved?
Yes, well, okay, that's a very tricky question because it's actually like using something off-label. FDA does approve hormones, but again, it's not necessarily for the reason that we're using it, to the energy levels, some of those different things. So the medication that we use, yes, is FDA approved. It's just an off-label use, if that makes sense. So hopefully I answered your question to its best. Dr. Bates can give you some more insight on that, but again, there are FDA approved reasons for the medications that we give. It's just not necessarily for making you 25 again.
All righty, we're going to go to break here real quickly. So grab a pen, because coming back here, we'll tell you how you can take advantage of 25 again, feel 25 again, like Jennifer, like Mark, and they'll take advantage of these specials as well. This is all good stuff on Wave 3 Listens Live.